Hello and welcome to Cosplay Crafts and More. I'm Danielle and today I'll be starting a new project and we'll be sharing the plans for that. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The next project is going to be a patriotic one. The United States of America is a great nation and I am proud to be a citizen. The flag is what's inspiring this project. The history of the flag is completely fascinating. The original flag was the continental one and was used until 1777. However, at this time there were many different flags of independence and it was very confusing on the battlefield. The story goes that George Washington visited Betsy Ross and commissioned this flag here to deal with that situation. Ultimately, the flag had to be voted on and the Stars and Stripes became the official flag. Today, the flag has 13 red and white stripes representing the original colonies and 50 stars representing the 50 states. Here's where I would normally show the pattern that I'll be making. However, this is going to be a gift for my mother and she watches all my videos. So I want the end product to be a surprise. What I can tell you is that it's going to be 51 inches by 60 inches. The fabric I'll be using is this fun patterned one. This red fabric and this blue fabric. This will be for the front of the project and I got all of these in the kit when I was in Riverside, Missouri, and it cost about $25. I'll also have to use about 3 or so yards of fabric for the back. This is the fabric I'll be using. I got this from Hobby Lobby for about $10. The final thing that I will need is notations. If you don't know what notations are, check out my video on how to read patterns, linked above and in the description below. For this, I will be using this red thread, which I already own. And then I will also need batting. I got this at Hobby Lobby for about $10. Overall, this project is going to cost about $50. Now that you know the patterns and plans, you're ready to get crafting. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!